Good morning, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's Tuesday, August 18th, 2009, and yesterday everybody was calling for gloom and doom. It's the worst thing ever. Big gap down, hit the 98.24 area to close, and you know where that was. That was right still within this specific number right through here. So this is a pretty important gap. You know, we kind of tried to fill that a little bit, but it still held up as support. And that's a little 60-minute chart of the spiders. And this morning, after all the gloom and doom, what I would consider just a normal low base type of situation, unfilled gap. So albeit bearish, not necessarily a disaster. Now this morning, they're calling for stock futures pointing to a higher Wall Street open on a worldwide rebound. So people thinking that the economy may not be as bad as they thought yesterday. A lot of emotional activity going on here, as every day in the markets. When I look at something like this, it's very, very smart again to wait for corroboration before you go long or short, because if you don't know what's going to happen next, and you never will exactly, but you can definitely stack the odds in your favor, what I'm going to do is again use confirmation before I pull the trigger. And yesterday, not getting a lot of that. The trend, let me just grab this real quick. After hanging around the 0 line at 1.0 neutral, it kind of popped up, even ran up to the 2.0 line at the close, looking a little bit bearish into the close. Trend Q, very, very bearish into the close. So two interesting things at the close of the day yesterday, and the VIX also had a little spike up. So not a lot of people wanting to hold overnight yesterday into something that looked like it might sell off, but again, you never know until price confirms, and you can use those secondary indicators as what they are, underlying elements of price and volume. So very good. This is the daily chart of the S&P. Definite little chink in the armor here, right down to the support area. If we opened right now where we're trading, pre-market 98.71, that would be right 98.71 right in here. So very, very small up gap this morning. And again, if we can consolidate here for a while, excellent. Even fill the gap, that'd be a little bit more bullish, of course. But if we do get a sell-off, wait for a good confirmation that we're going to head down below this last bit of support here before the next layer. And again, for me, that would be right through here, the 96 round number. See that resistance, nice blast through that, and then support in the future and the round number. So very good. Don't disregard this volume on the sell-off. That's something to sneeze at. It's returning a little bit. It's not the biggest volume print I've ever seen, but it does rank up there. So those are what I am seeing with my eye, and I hope you guys have a great trading day, and I'll talk to you around noon.